there, good people. We are here on the 19th Street in Washington, D.C. I want to show you a bit about what's going on here. This is a very busy street in Washington, D.C. So, a lot of activity, as you can see. But first of all, I want to welcome to our channel today. Welcome to our channel, and we are glad that you are here as we explore this city of Washington, D.C. together.
And then I was like,
okay, so what you see is the intersection where 19th Street meets L Street. It's a long road, but also has some historical significance. First of all, this 19th Street, Northwest in Washington, D.C. sits right in the heart of what is now the city's downtown, or what they call a Golden Triangle Business District, just east of the Pont Circle. Its history is less about one single landmark and more about how the entire area evolved from early planning to elite residential blocks to today's dense office and commercial core. As you can see, it's a lot of commercial activity right here on this 19th Street. Maybe we talk about a little bit about its origin, if we have time, just as we scan it. If we continue scanning it, this street is part of the original grid, which was laid out in 1791 by a gentleman called Lafont. This was a Frenchman who actually laid out the main plan of Washington, D.C. That was around close to the beginning of the 18th century, 19th century. That was in 1791. And it was around that time where streets like 19th Street were allocated what would call a plan where they ran from east to west or west to east, while lettered streets like L Street down there were running from east to west. No, I think I confused you there. Numbered streets like the 19th Street ran from north to south, while lettered streets like L Street ran from east to west. It happened that in the 1800s, this area was on the edge of the development of the city with open land and scattered buildings. Development accelerated after the Civil War, when Washington expanded rapidly and new neighborhoods filled in. And by the late 19th century, 19th Street Northwest near L Street was transitioning from semi-rural edge to urban residential corridor. You can see there's quite some history about this street, and as we speak, I can have you take a look of at the kind of activities that happen here. And remember, this is just a section of this 19th Street. Obviously, it's a long street, but we chose this particular area because that's where we are today. But I hope that you get to learn a thing or two about this street in Washington, D.C. You see all those very magnificent buildings, some tall, some not very tall, but all of them looking quite spectacular, to say the least. Now the blocks just north of L Street towards DuPont Circle, where we are facing right now, were filled with row houses and townhomes built around 1900 to 1910. And a lot has changed since then, because as you obviously can see, most of the buildings here now are modern office buildings, as opposed to those that were here before, which were, as we said, mainly townhomes and things like that. And those homes were designed for wealthy professionals, politicians, and government officials, and notable residents on 19th Street included U.S. senators and very prominent figures in the early 20th century, as would be expected, because 19th Street is pretty close to the White House, actually. It's very close to the White House, so you can see that even though the White House doesn't necessarily host senators, but it's related in the sense that it's just a couple of a kilometer or so away from the Capitol, where you see a lot of activities by senators and congressmen and women. At this stage, the area around 19th and L Street was quiet, residential and socially elite. But now come mid-20th century, this place that we are looking at became very, very key in terms of transition from institutional to transitional phase. From institutional to transitional phase, this became very important because as Washington grew, downtown crept northward, the way we are facing right now. And many homes along 19th Street, especially closer to L Street, were converted into offices and embassies or other institutions, meaning that a lot changed within that time. And a notable example is the L. Ron Hubbard House, just north of 19th Street, which became an early center for Scientology activity in the 1950s. See, guys, talking about this street, the 19th Street, and that period marked a shift from residential mixed use to institutional. That's why you hardly see now any townhomes around here, because a lot has changed since then. And by the 1970s all the way to 1990s, the area around 19th and L Street became part of the Golden Triangle Business Improvement District, but many older buildings were replaced or supplemented with modern office towers. For example, 1620 L Street, completed in 1989, is a typical post-modern office building in this corridor. And today the intersection is known for corporate offices, as we mentioned, as well as law firms and lobbying firms and groups and companies and think tanks and non-profits, as well as ground floor retail and restaurants. As you can see, many people having something to eat, like here at Wawa, and all these places like Noshi noodles and sushi place and Greek deli, as well as here where you see the AC Hotel in Washington. Down there is also a restaurant Another one there is for roasting coffee. A very popular place for people that like to grab a snack every now and then. Now the surrounding neighborhood, so they're even taking a truck. This Magno Lima company, making sure that everything is working well. So yeah, so we are looking at 19th Street right here, as you can see where it is around here, and what that means for the city and how we got here. Now, why does this particular intersection matter? Why? We will look at this as we end this vlog today. The main reason why it matters, this particular intersection that we're talking about. This particular intersection, you see that is L, this is 19th, L goes that way, 19th goes that way, and that way. Why does it really matter so much? Okay, so this is the thing. 19th and L Street in Washington, D.C. is not famous for a single landmark, but it is important because it represents a classic DC transformation from planned grid, as we said, in the 1790s when Elephant was drawing the plan or the map for Washington, D.C. Elite residential in the 1900s, as we explained, where there was a lot of transformation of this place, and also institutional corridor that is in the mid-century, as well as modern business hub, which is what you find here today. It is basically a microcosm of how central Washington has evolved. Okay, so yeah, we were not gonna make it very long. Just a brief overview of this particular place in Washington, D.C. Tell us what else you'd like to see in our channel so we can talk about it as we travel together in this channel. So I want to say thank you very much if you have gotten this far. Thank you for watching our videos. If you are a returning subscriber, of course, we really appreciate. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to this channel so that we move together ahead. If you haven't liked this video, please do, and also share this video, and make sure that you tell a friend to subscribe to our channel so that we grow together. All right, for now I say thank you for watching this video. We will see you in the next one. Bye bye.